Nice. Go like this, different angle like this. Any cables, like there's a lot. So in case you might want to sell one, don't put that. Okay. All right, Matrice 40. All right, we have the bad boy here. So to open this drone, always remember, okay, you slide this up, and bring this one out. Press it and bring it out. All right, then, damn it. It's nice. All right, so this is the Matrice 40. I'll be introducing you to the controller first. Okay, this is the smart controller. This is the same controller you have in your Matrice 350, the big drone. You have it in the small boy here. Okay, then I'll be introducing you to, you have this. You can charge about 4 batteries. Okay, then with this, that's the adapter. Okay, then the drone comes with the battery. This battery lasts about 49 minutes. All right, for one operation. Okay, all right, you have one battery here. All right, then bring in the bad guy. Damn it. All right, you have the Matrice 40. There, smelling like best GLE. So this is the bad guy here. Always remember, anytime you want to turn on this drone, remove this first. Okay, this is a new upgrade compared to the previous one. All right, okay, it's just rubber. And the next thing you remember to remove is this guy here. Take it off so you don't get your gimbal faulty. All right, so you have the Matrice 40. All right, it's portable, but you know it has that kind of physics you get. All right, now you will notice you have a built-in port here. You have another built-in port here. You can put in a light here for flying at night, and you can put in speakers for extra modules just to bring in the big guy out of it. Okay, and remember to bring out this, you start from the back. Okay, that's to bring out the arms. You start from here. Okay, then bring this one in front out here. All right, let's try it again. You start from, okay, from here, then bring this guy out. All right, out. All right, okay, so you have extra ports here for other things. You have your memory card, and you can also connect this to your PC to download what is inside the memory card. Okay, then we have a lot of sensors. You will notice we have a sensor here, 2, 3, 4. We have light here, 5. We have a light here, 6. It's flashes light, yeah, at night. All right, you have another sensor here, 7. You have another sensor here, 8, 9, 10. Damn, like there's a lot of sensors, so you can't miss any direction. So when flying up, it helps you to observe objects above. When flying down, coming down, descending automatically, it helps you observe objects that is not on the ground level. Okay, above, it automatically stops by itself. Okay, so now one important feature about this drone is that it comes with an RTK. That means you can use this drone for surveying. It comes with an RTK module. So if you are buying the latest RTK 3, or you can use the RTK 2. Okay, that's the RTK mobile station. Okay, all right, you notice we have one extra blade, another blade. We have extra blades. So these are the default blades that comes with the drone. Okay, you have one here, one here, one here, one here. So in case you are, you always fly too much, you have extra. Again, you have another extra, as in they're not too much. So then we have this. This is for opening this out. Okay, it's like a same way you open opener, you get. So it open this out, you get. So you have a lot of stuff inside there. All right, then you have extra, you get, like a strap. Okay, like belt and stuff like that. Okay, you can use this. Then now you have a lot of cables. So you have the normal cable to type C cable, you have the type C to type C. All right, then we have the adapter cable, that's for this too. Then you have another adapter cable that's for different mounts. Okay, then you have another one. That's for, I don't think we use this in Nigeria. Like, uses this. So we have another type again for how many cables. Like, there's a lot. So in case you might want to sell one, you want to benefit from your don't put that. If I want to sell one, at least receive some change. All right. So you have the manual for some of us that like to read.
You get it?
You like reading, you want to study too much, you can read much of this. All right, but now there's a lot of introduction to this guy. In case you want to learn how to fly this drone, you want to learn a lot of stuff about this drone, you can go to geoinfoacademy.com. If you want to buy this drone, you can go to geoinfostore.com or geoinfotech.ng or geoinfotechstore.com. Those are legit places to get this kind of drone. So we'll be diving into a lot of features about this guy. It's bad guy. All right, for one battery, it can take you up to 49 minutes of flight time. All right, and this drone can go up to 20 kilometers. That means it has up to about 8 antennas. Okay, it has about 8 antennas connecting between this drone and the controller. All right, it has thermal sensor. That means it can operate at night. All right, and it can also visualize objects with its radiation. That means you can use it to inspect solar panels. You can also use it for agricultural use. So for the camera, we have the thermal camera here. All right, we have the medium tele camera, and we have the 7 times tele camera. This is 3 times tele camera. This is 7 times tele camera. And where we have the wide camera. This is 48 megapixel, 48 megapixel, 48 megapixel, 48 megapixel. Then you have the laser range finder here, and this is for near auxiliary light. That means at night it can also increase the brightening to help you see clearly at night. All right, this is actually built for RTK and PPK. That means you can use it for detailed land surveying and for construction engineering surveying. Okay, it is also built for inspection, and it's also built for video capturing for the megapixel you have there. All right, for this camera, it is dust proof and water resistant. Doesn't mean you have to dip it inside the water. You get, unless you don't go with that. All right, so this is dust proof and this is waterproof, and also it's also convenient when flying where you have snow. Obviously you don't have snow in Nigeria, so you don't have to worry. So, and one crazy stuff about this drone is that it has built-in AI system. That means when flying this drone, it can actually observe and identify vehicles. Any object that represents a vehicle, it will automatically identify that. So that means if you are flying at night and you see a vehicle passing and you can't really see it very well, this will help you identify the vehicle. You can also identify objects like trees, human beings, and stuff like that, you understand. And in case you are trying to catch thief, to identify thief for you. All right, so you can get this guy at geoinfotech.ng or you can get it at geoinfostore.com. All right, see you, our fans, next episode. Buy more. All right.